Hello students, welcome back again. Students, so today we are taking part 3 video, and today we are going 6.1 practice set of 8, 9, 10th and 11, 12 questions. Okay, so let's start our new video. Sec theta plus tan theta is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. It's very simple. What we have to do is you can take out left hand side or either you can take out right hand side. Okay, I'm going to take today right hand side first. So we'll get our answer left hand side. Okay. So right hand side is equal to cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta. See here two values there, so we need to rationalize the denominator. If you're taking out the sec theta plus tan theta first, so you have to rationalize the numerator. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to rationalize the denominator. So cos theta upon 1 minus sin theta multiplied by 1 plus sin theta upon again 1 plus sin theta. Okay, so we need to rationalize the denominator here. So we need to write the reason here, rationalizing the denominator. Okay, rationalizing the denominator. It's very simple, very easy also. Okay, so we need to multiply this also by wait. Okay, so we need to multiply this. Okay, now see here cos theta, it means cos theta into, we need to take into the bracket 1 plus sin theta, and similarly here also 1 into 1 is 1, plus minus into plus is minus, sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Okay, so we need to convert this into the cos square theta by using the identity now. Okay, so cos theta into the bracket 1 plus sin theta will remain as it is only. So here 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So we can write the reason also. 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. Okay. So now what we have to do is, it is very simple. This cos theta and this cos square theta, we need to get cancel 1. So it remains cos theta. So we need to write the new value 1 plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now see here two value in one value there, we need to split both the value and we need to put whatever the sign is there in between. Okay, so 1 upon cos theta, this 1 upon cos theta plus sin theta upon cos theta. Now sin theta upon cos theta. Now let's take the relations. 1 upon cos theta is sec theta plus, okay, 1 sin theta upon cos theta is tan theta. Now see the left hand side, we got the answer here, sin sec theta plus tan theta, and also we got it sec theta plus tan theta is equal to right hand side. So we can write the reason or in the answer also, question left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, let's take the 9th question now. If tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2, then show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 2. It's very simple. What we have to do is we need to bring down this equation first. Okay, so tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta equal to 2. Okay, so now what we have to do is we need to squaring on both the sides. Okay, so it is tan theta plus 1 upon tan theta whole square, okay, is equal to, this is 2 cos square. What we have to write here, squaring on both the side. Why we are squaring on both the side? Because in the answer we need to take out square also. Okay, so squaring on both the sides, we need to write down. Okay, now we need to open this bracket into the a plus b whole square format. Okay, a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square into the expansion formula. Okay, so in this expansion formula we can easily take out, okay, this value also. So this is a value and this is b value. So tan theta, a square means tan square theta. So we need to write here tan square theta plus 2 into ab. Okay, a and b. So a, this is tan theta, into b is 1 upon tan theta. Okay, now plus b square means 1 upon tan square theta. So 1 upon tan square theta we need to write. 1 cos square is 1, so we are writing only 1 here, is equal to 2 cos square is here 4. Okay, now this tan theta and this tan theta get cancelled because multiply sign is there. So now tan square theta plus 2 ones are 2 Okay, this 2 here plus 1 upon tan square theta, this part we need to bring it down, equal to 4. Okay, now we need to take out the value here. So what we have to do is we need to shift plus 2 onto the other side, so it becomes minus 2. So tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta is equal to 4, and this plus 2 becomes minus 2 over here. Okay, so therefore tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay, so it is proved. You can check here also, show that tan square theta plus 1 upon tan square theta equal to 2. Okay, so very simple question is already asked in the March 2014 paper. Okay, so I hope you understood this question also. Now let's take the question number 10 now. Okay, question number 10 also very simple. Tan A 1 upon tan square A whole square and cot A 1 upon cot square A whole square. We need to take out the value sin A plus cos A, sin A into cos A. So left hand side we need to bring it down here. Tan A 1 upon 1 plus tan square A whole square plus cot A and 1 upon 1 plus cot square A whole square. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to take this into the identity 1 plus tan square A, it means sec square A. So sec square A whole square we need to put it, and 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. So we need to put again the square here. Okay, so in this way we can take this tan A upon this we need to put into the identity sec square A whole square we need to put it here plus cot A, and again 1 plus cot square A means cosec square A, okay, whole square. Done. We can write the reason also. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A, and 1 plus cot square A is equal to cosec square A. Okay, understood? Now let's go further now. If you see here, this we need to put into the relation now. What is the relation of tan A sin A upon cos A? So we need to write here sin A upon cos A upon, now sec square A, this is we need to sec square relation 1 upon cos, okay, 1 upon cos power 4A we need to write down here, 1 upon cos power 4A, okay, this part we need to write it down here, this 2 to the 4 we have converted into 4 here, plus sin, now cot A, again cot A is, okay, this also we need to, cot A is cos A upon sin A, okay, and now here also cos square A means we need to put 1 upon sin power 4A, 2 to the 4 here. Okay, so now what we have to do is we need to convert this now, sin A upon cos A divided by 1 upon cos power 4A and plus sign this cos A, cos theta I have written here, cos A it is, cos A upon sin A divide sign, we need to write this 1 upon sin power 4A. Okay, this divide sign it becomes multiply in the next step. So sin A upon cos A multiply by, it is reciprocal now, cos power 4A upon 1 plus here also cos A upon sin A multiply by, it is reciprocal sin power 4A upon 1. Okay, now what we have to do is we need to cancel 1. So it is cos power 4A, it remains cos 3A, and here also sin power 4A sin cut, so it is sin 3A remains. Okay, so whatever the remains we need to write it down here. Okay, sin A plus cos 3A plus again cos A multiply by sin 3A. Okay, now what we have to do is very simple. See here 3A and 3 here, and see here sin and cos. So what we have to do is we take the common factor of sin and cos here. So we need to take sin A and multiply by cos A as a common factor, and into the bracket we need to write power, because 1 we already taken, so this is become square. So it is cos square a, okay, plus sin square a. Okay, now this we need to convert into the identity. So it is sin a multiplied by cos a into 1. Okay, because identity we know that cos square a plus sin square a is equal to 1 now. Okay, so if you multiply and open the bracket, it remains as it is only sin a into cos a. If you see the right hand side, we got the answer here, sin a into cos a and sin a into cos a, we got it. So just we need to write here right hand side, and in the answer we need to write the entire question. So take a screenshot of this question. Okay, I hope you understood also. Now let's take the question number 11 now. Question number 11 also same we need to do in this manner only. So sec power 4a 1 minus sec power 4a minus 2 tan square a equal to 1. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to take out left hand side. So left hand side is sec power 4a in bracket 1 minus sin power 4a minus 2 tan square a. Okay, this is also very simple, just we need to pay a little attention here. So this 4 we need to convert into the square, so we can take out the identity also here. Okay, so sec power 4a will remain as it is only. Now here 1 minus sin square a, okay, sin square a, and it is whole square now. So this we need to give into the box bracket. Okay, minus 2 tan square a will remain as it is only. Okay, now what we have to do is, see here, we can give, because the power is there 2 on both the sides, so we can give one equation into the plus and other equation into the minus. Okay, so we can write sec power 4a, okay, then into the bracket 1 minus sin square a in one bracket and 1 plus sin square a into the another bracket, and minus 2 tan square a will remain as it is only. Okay, so what we have to do is we need to take this also, okay, into this 1 minus sin square a is cos square a, so sec power 4a multiply by cos square a, okay, and this also will put into the bracket 1 minus sin square a, and this minus 2 tan square a will remain as it is. We can give the reason also, 1 minus sin square a is equal to cos square a. Now what we have to do is, afterwards this sec power 4a we can take the into the relation, so it becomes cos power 4a into the cos square a. Okay, then after that here 1 minus sin square a will remain as it is only, and minus 2 tan square a also will remain same. Okay, then after that what we have to do is we need to cut here 2 and 4, so it remains 2, it means cos square a. So 1 upon cos square a is remain here. Okay, and multiply by this 1 plus sin square a will remain as it is only, and minus 2 tan square a also we have to put as it is only. Okay, now after that what we have to do is, now see here 1 upon cos square a, and this 1 minus sin square a, it means cos square a. Okay, so we need to give into the identity now. So what we have to do is we can write here 1 upon cos square a, okay, then plus sign, okay, this is multiplying, so we need to give plus sign here, and this we need to write sin square a upon cos square a, okay, minus 2 tan square a will remain as it is only. Okay, now after that what we have to do is 1 minus, now we need to give a cross multiplication of this. Okay, so 1 upon cos square a is the identity sec square, relation is sec square a, and sin square a upon cos square a is tan square a, and minus 2 tan square a will remain as it is only. Okay, then after that what we have to do is sec square a we need to write as it is only, plus into minus is minus. Okay, we need to take the bigger sign, so 1 tan square a we need to subtract from 2 tan square a, so it remains 1 tan square a, so tan square a here. Okay, now check the identity. Sin square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So we got the answer is equal to right hand side. Okay, we can write here sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Okay, I hope you understood also this part, this question also. Okay, now last questions we need to take it down for this chapter. Okay, so this is also very simple. Okay, all the values you are looking very same and similar one. So here we need to take one new condition of theorem on equal ratios. Okay, so again we need to take out left hand side first. So tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. Okay, now after that what we have to do is we need to take the rationalizing the denominator. So tan theta upon sec theta, same only, multiply by, now sec theta minus will become plus here, and here also sec theta plus 1 on both the side. We need to write the reason rationalizing the denominator. Okay, rationalizing the denominator, same. Okay, now we need to multiply on both the sides. So tan theta into sec theta is tan theta into sec theta plus 1, and upon sec theta into sec theta is sec square theta. Okay, minus into plus is minus, 1 1s are 1 here. Okay, now after that you can write the reason also if you want to write it. Sec square theta minus 1 is give you tan square theta. Okay, so tan theta into sec theta plus 1 will remain as it is only, and this you need to write it tan square theta. We can write the reason also. Sec square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta now. Okay, so see here two value and here one value is there, so we need to cut, so it remains tan theta only. Okay, so sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Okay, now in this case we can't do further anymore. So what we have to do is we need to bring down this LHS value in front of this sec theta plus 1 equal to tan theta. Okay, so we have to write here tan theta plus sec theta minus 1, that left hand side portion, and equal to this we need to write further sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta. Okay, now if you see all the values are same, if you if you take out the equal to sign and put the plus sign, so you will be getting your answer on the right hand side. But how it is possible? By theorem on equal ratio. So we need to write here by theorem on equal ratio, by theorem on equal ratios. So tan theta we need to write here tan theta, take out the equal to sign, we need to put plus sign here, sec theta plus 1, and again in the denominator also sec theta minus 1 and put the equal to sign and write tan theta. If you see on the right hand side, tan theta plus sec theta is okay, but in the denominator the value is fluctuating one. So what we have to do is we need to write here tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 will remain as it is only, and according to our answer on the right hand side we need to change our value. So tan theta we need to write first, so tan theta we need to write first, and after that sec theta minus 1 we need to put. Okay, so this is the question. So we got the answer here, so we need to write here RHS, that is the right hand side. Okay, so this is also very simple, and this is a very different question, that is theorem on equal ratios. We need to write it down. Okay, so I hope you understood this chapter. Only one practice set is there from this chapter, and second practice set is already reduced from the syllabus. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.